Hello guys! Welcome to our unboxing video. This is sponsored by YAVL Training Services. I am Mark Yulo. Welcome again. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng unboxing of our new equipment or product for live streaming. At ito ay ang Blackmagic Design ATEM Mini Extreme. Yan, ito. Yan. Yes. Okay. Yan. I-unbox natin. So, kuha tayo ng ating cutter. Okay. So natin. Tingnan natin kung anong ngayon ang nasa loob ng ating tinatawag na video switcher. Okay. Tingnan muna natin mabuti. Pinunit na natin. Okay. So, tapon natin muna yung plastic para hindi magulo. Talagang ang plastic tinatabi, nilalayo. Okay, so ito ang ating Blackmagic Design ATEM Mini Extreme Design for live streaming. This is a video switcher. Okay, tingnan natin. Ito ay mayroong tinatawag na 8-channel HDMI input. Okay, this supports up to 1080p 60 frames per second. At ito, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng tinatawag na direct live streaming through the real-time messaging protocol or RTPM, streaming via Ethernet or USB-C. Then, tingnan natin muna. Saan natin? Saan natin mabuti. Okay, paikot-ikot Okay, nahilo na siya. Saan natin? Anong meron? Siyempre, merong welcome brochure. Yan. Welcome brochure. Meron, nakikita ba natin ng Blackmagic Software Installation Guide. Okay, installation guide. Okay. Then, meron tayong sticker! A free sticker! Okay, from Blackmagic Design. Okay. Then, meron daw free download ng DaVinci Resolve 17. Okay. The brochure. Then, tingnan natin ngayon yung accessories or power adapter, I think. So, merong universal converters for AC adapters. Okay, adapters. Okay, may European. Okay. So, 4. Okay, na adapters. We have this power adapter from Blackmagic Design. Okay, yan. Natin ang box. Ito na ang ating pinakahihintay. This is what we are waiting for, guys. Waiting for. This is siyempre merong styrofoam. Styrofoam. At yun. Ayan na. Maraming mga buttons, maraming pindutan, maraming controls. Ito ang paborito ng lahat. Nako-control. Sana lahat nako-control para hindi siya lumayo sa'yo. Okay? Yan o. Yan. So this is the Blackmagic Design ATEM Mini Extreme. Okay, so this is the view. Okay. Yan. Yan. Then these are the patch bay. Okay. The IO panels. Yan. So meron tayong tinatawag na mga inputs which are 1 to 8 HDMI inputs. Okay, 1 to 8. Then meron tayong para sa cameras, meron tayong microphone, stereo microphone channels 1 and 2 inputs, and ito yung pinakakahintay ng lahat. Hinihintay ng lahat yung tinatawag na headphone output, which is paborito ko to. Kailangan ma-monitor natin how much signal going in and out. Okay. Then we have HDMI programmable auxiliary output 1 and 2. Yan o. Dalawa na. Pwede kayo mag-multi-view. You can go for multi-view. Yan. Multi-view. Yan natin. Then we can have a program view. Then you can stream live at the same time with the USB-C port, letter A, and USB-C port, letter B. At the same time, pwede kayong mag-record using SSD card or external hard disk, which is ito transcend. This is 480 gig. Okay, so to continue guys, tingnan natin yung ating mga input. Meron tayong HDMI input 1 to 8. Maaaring mag-input kayo ng mga maybe from 4 to 8 cameras or including computers for your presentations or for your video playback. Then one of the exciting thing na meron dito in our video switcher right now is the headphone output for monitoring. Yan, for monitoring guys. Then we have 2 microphone input, stereo microphone input. Then also on the output, we have 2 outputs na HDMI, assignable or auxiliary output, assignable as program out, and a multi-view output. Mamaya later pakita natin yan. Auto connect. Then we have 2 USB-C connectivity. 1 could be for the live streaming, directly live streaming, using the RTPM streaming via Ethernet or USB, or we call this real-time messaging protocol. Real-time messaging protocol. Now, it could be the other one could be a record program output, and which could be connected through our external hard drive at the same time simultaneously. So ito, meron tayong compatible na hard disk, which is the SSD, 480 gigabytes of USB 3.1 Type-C could be connected through our Blackmagic design video switcher. Okay, then still we have the Ethernet port for control and configuration, plus the power for the power adapter. Ano yung mga gagawin natin? Connect muna natin. Try natin i-patch. Example, ito yung ating tinatawag na HDMI cable that goes to our inputs. Okay? Example, a computer. Okay? So this is for the computer or the camera. And the other one could be for our monitoring. Okay? Yan. Okay? Then this could be connected to our USB-C for our computer for live streaming. Okay? Directly. Yan. Then this could be your hard disk, could be connected through, i-unbox na rin natin yung ating hard disk. Okay, so this is our external hard disk, Transcend ESD240C with 480 gigabytes of storage, which is the 3.1 Type-C. Goes. So this could be for your recording, program recording. Okay, this is USB-C port, Transcend. Then you could use your anong meron sa loob, a USB-C to USB-A. Okay, and USB-C to USB-C cable will be connected directly to your external hard disk or SSD card to your ATEM Mini Pro Extreme. Okay. So, this is the one. Reversible naman yan. So, connected. Yan. Directly. Like that. Okay, so this is your, again, your power supply. Snap lang natin to. Snap, slide, lock, click na. Okay, then try natin guys, power, saksak natin sa power supply para ito ay matesting natin. But sad to say, there is no switch here. So if you're going to reset or the power, you just have to remove the adapter because you don't have a power switch here. Meron naman siyang lock. Yan, meron naman siyang lock. Okay? To those people who are using the camera from your typical HDMI camera, we could have an SDI to HDMI microconverter. So this is a microconverter that could be used from your using your SDI. So you're gonna be using an HDMI to SDI converter, then connected to your SDI cable, then SDI cable to your HDMI microconverter. Let's open this one. Okay, so you can connect this. Okay, the output of this, so this is the output. Okay, but there should be a separate power supply. Okay, a power supply. So I'm going to use an Anchor power supply. So this is an Anchor power supply, USB-C to USB-A power supply. USB-C na pala to, by the way, guys. Okay, this is already USB-C. Okay, then you just have to connect your HDMI cable to your the output of your HDMI output converter. Okay, so this is an SDI input. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this goes coming from your camera. Okay, and I suggest better if you're going to use SDI conversion instead of a longer, more than 20 meters of HDMI cables, because for longer work and better transmission ng inyong tinatawag na video quality. Alright? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inputs. Medyo bago pa siya. You have 2 media playback sources. In this particular, ibig sabihin you can go for up to 20 plus 20 media playback of inputs and audio video playback also. Then the good thing here is you can select the video output going to your HDMI output, either multi-view or program. Can start your recording. When you hit record, okay, it's going to record all the camera sources that you send to your program output. To those people who would like to know more about video switching, camera work, camera setup, live streaming software configuration, operation setup, and mixing audio for your live streaming, we are going to offer and accept enrollees and registered participants for our church live streaming masterclass. We'll see you guys, and I thank you for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to our channel. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please hit the notification bell. We'll see you to our next video, guys. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.